Planning to study in Russia? Here is a simple, step-by-step guide for Indian students. Step 1. Choose your program and university. Russia offers a wide range of study programs in English, Russian, and bilingual formats. Popular fields include medicine, engineering, IT, business, and international relations. Explore universities and programs, check tuition fees, entry requirements, and application deadlines. Step 2. Submit your application. Once you've chosen your program, online application process starts here. Most universities accept online applications through their official websites or authorized representatives. Step 3. Required documents. To apply, prepare scanned copies of the following: valid passport, academic transcripts, and more. Step 4. Receive admission letter. If your application is successful, you will get a pre-admission or official invitation letter. Step 5. Visa application process. Indian students need a student visa to study in Russia. How to apply? Submit the following documents: official invitation letter, visa application form, passport, etc. Processing time, typically 7 to 20 working days. Step 6. Arriving in Russia. Book your flight to Russia. Inform the university about your arrival date. University representatives may assist with airport pickup. Complete registration upon arrival. Need help? Our team can assist Indian students with every step. Study in Russia, affordable, recognized, and global.